Spaced repetition. One of the standard techniques for effective learning. I have been using spaced repetition for probably a year. In this one single year, I have been able to narrow down into the very specific techniques that are most useful for me, and those are what I believe will be most useful for others also. And that is exactly what we'll be seeing in this video. I am Rohit Pevia, a second year medical student at Madurai Medical College. And in this channel, we'll be looking at various ways by which we can improve our academics and also some educational stuff, along with some topics of spirituality and stoicism. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, then do subscribe. Why does spaced repetition work? You're always forgetting everything you learn, and only if you revise the concept on the right time, you can remember it again. It's like your concepts will be gradually going down. As time goes, your memory about the particular concept will go down. If you refresh the concept, then the memory will then again jump up. And this is how your life goes. So this is how spaced repetition works. With this basic introduction of spaced repetition, let us go into the actual techniques that are the most efficient with regard to spaced repetition. The various methods that we'll be looking in this video are interleaving, spaced repetition algorithm, and spaced repetition in note-taking apps. There are a ton more techniques like checkerboard technique, Kanban board, shoebox technique. Just forget them all. Just stick with these three things and it's going to work wonders for you. So interleaving is a technique by which you're going to study different topics at different times so that you're constantly touching every single topic always. This is a very vague way of using spaced repetition, but however, many people swear by this technique. So it is definitely going to work. So let's say that we have 5 different topics to learn over 5 days. What I'll normally be doing before knowing about spaced repetition is that I'll be going to one topic for one day, study the whole topic for that day, forget the topic. The very next day, I'll be studying the second topic, the next day the third topic, and so on. But however, after learning about spaced repetition, I have understood that I have to learn all the 5 topics in one single day, like chunks of the topics every single day, and then the next day some chunks of the topic, and the next day some chunks of the topic. So by this, you're constantly touching every single topic, so your memory will be lasting forever and you will be having a better retention as well. And the next technique is spaced repetition in note-taking methods. So this is not something that I actually use. However, most people use this. For example, we can plan our spaced repetition through Notion templates. We can plan our spaced repetition through Google Sheets. So every time you study a topic, mark the date in which you studied and then repeat the same topic in probably another 3 days and another 7 days, another 10 days, another 14 days. So by this, you're constantly revising the topic on the right times. So this is quite an effective method, but however, this is somewhat cumbersome because you have one more weight to carry. You have one more weight to lift. You are supposed to write down the day you study the particular topic, and given that in MBBS we have tons and tons of topics to learn, it is extremely cumbersome, and that's where the technique that I use, that I personally prefer, the spaced repetition algorithms. So I swear by this technique, the spaced repetition algorithms do wonders. There are a ton of apps that give you the spaced repetition algorithm. You are simply supposed to enter the question and the answer, and it will automatically show you the question, it will automatically show you the answer, it will automatically show you the topic. On the right time, you're about to forget something. So it's like it automatically sets the time for you to learn a particular topic so that you are never going to forget the topic. The app that I most commonly use is Anki. So Anki is this amazing free software, which is a flashcard software. So if you didn't know, flashcards are an amazing way to apply active recall, and combined with this amazing spaced repetition algorithm, this forms the absolute way to effective learning. And I have a playlist dedicated to Anki. Everything you need to know about Anki from the basics to the pro level, and this is the playlist, so make sure you check it out. And as always, thank you for watching. See you soon.